Hey, what up, guys? This is Frank's Flat Ground How To, and I'm going to teach you how to frontside flip with a pivot on a fingerboard. Alright, to do a frontside flip, you need to learn how to kick flip. And basically just a frontside revert quickly, like just like that. Turn like that while you're riding. Or you could just do it the other way and just do it that way. Do it this way. But I prefer this way. I prefer the way when you do a kickflip and then pivot because it's kind of easier for me. But yeah, finger placement. Like I said in all my other videos, I put it the exact same way under the bolts. This one not all the way in the back, but you know, right here with a little bit of space left over, as you can see. So yeah, that's really it. This is Frank's How To, and I just taught you how to frontside flip. Thanks for watching.